Hey there, fellow music enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on all things innovative and inspiring. Today, we've got something truly special in store for you: the Yamaha C40II Classical Guitar. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty details, let me start by saying this. If you're in the market for the best value for money classical guitar, look no further than the Yamaha C40II. What makes the Yamaha C40II stand out from the crowd, you ask? Well, let's break it down. First off, this guitar boasts a spruce top paired with Meranti back and sides, delivering a rich and resonant tone that's simply unmatched in its price range. Whether you're strumming your favorite chords or plucking out a melodic masterpiece, the Yamaha C40II offers exceptional playability and superior tone that will elevate your musical journey to new heights. And let's not forget about the craftsmanship. Yamaha has a reputation for excellence, and the C40II is no exception. From its sleek gloss finish to its sturdy construction, every aspect of this guitar exudes quality and precision. Plus, with features like a rosewood fingerboard and bridge, along with a comfortable NATO neck, you'll find yourself effortlessly gliding across the fretboard with ease. But don't just take my word for it. Customers around the globe have been singing praises about the Yamaha C40II. Just take a look at some of these glowing reviews. "Fantastic for the money," says Jared McKenna from the United States. "The thing is built cleanly and with precision for this price point. And did I mention the value? For an incredibly affordable price, you're getting a top-tier classical guitar that's perfect for beginners and seasoned players alike." So, whether you're just starting out on your musical journey or looking to upgrade to a higher quality instrument, the Yamaha C40II has got you covered. Well, folks, that wraps up our review of the Yamaha C40II Classical Guitar. Remember, if you want unbeatable value and exceptional quality, this is the guitar for you. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products. Until next time, keep rocking and rolling.